Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac ATS Coupe. Blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sport coupe. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system, front heated leather bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.